house from Rick.
Yay!
We're super happy with the way this turned out.
You look at each like little turn and you like things are frustrating because of different events. But when you look at it all big picture, like it was by far our best purchasing experience.
This house, including Mammoth.
Yep.
And like this is the only one that this is by
Thank you. I appreciate it. It was a lot of work, and you know what makes it easy for me is when my clients trust and they're like, all right, Rick, what do we got to do?
Yeah.
And that's when I go, we're like, all right, I'm gonna go to work. Let me go to work. Let me do what I gotta do. Hunt off-market properties, knock on agents' doors, whatever. You know, give a little bit of incentive to make sure we beat everybody out.
Yeah.
And I'm sure there's a lot of people that were savvy.
Oh my gosh.
Certainly.
Yeah, I'm sure.
At least 5 families.
There's nothing on market
Seriously?
comparable.
Well, there was 4 offers when we went in, and then the cash offer that came later.
The cash offer was either.
So you guys were basically the 5th or the 6th offer.
Love it.
So worked out.